Hi guys, in this video actually I'm going to discuss about how to install warp on Linux such as Red Hat, Fedora, suse, etc. To get those software in Google search box right there warp, then go on this warp.dev site. So let's click this. Then you can get this warp. So let's scroll down. Here you can get this for Mac, Linux, for dev file and RPM, Debian and Ubuntu. For Red Hat Fedora, you need to click on this RPM file. So file is now here. You are about to get warm. So this here file is now currently downloading. The total size 138 MB and RPM file is now downloading. This warp terminal that's downloaded, simply you need to click on this open file, closing this one, and wait for few second times. So if that not open, then let's do here files, go in files, and thereafter you need to go on this download. So here you can get this warp terminal, right click, then click on this rename, copy this all, open console. If that terminal that's come, then click on this terminal. Thereafter let's increase the size. Here you need to paste this, and after that here you need to write there sudo dnf install warp terminal. Press enter. So here you can see installing warp terminal. This is dependencies. Right there y and press enter. So this is now doing some download of the package, and right there y again, and this here is now currently installing. So this done. Thereafter minimize or close this one. Thereafter let's close here this search box right there. Wow. So wow, that's come there. Click on this icon. So click on this get started. Next, 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 next. You can also select the themes. Let's use the white. And now here sign in to continue. So, sign up for Warp. If you don't have account, then you can create the account. You can do the login with GitHub, Google. So let's use their Google. So here, this here, or this Google account that's come there, you need to give your email or phone number. You can see successfully sign in. If you want, then you can create your first tab, config, build as in terminal. Okay, so you can do there. So currently I'm not doing this one. Here you can see this is the warp terminal. Here click on next, 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 finish. So this place you can write any command there. So if I write ls, so list of files that's returning there, dir command. So this directory, and after that the next here you can write this state command. So this state that's displaying new conversation you can do there, and this is the old conversation, new conversation. Like this you can do many things according to your requirement. So this is how we can or do here installation of this warp inside the Linux operating system such as redhat, fedora, suse, etc. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.